Welcome to this tutorial on labels in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn about named break and continue statements, which are powerful tools for controlling nested loops in your Kotlin programs. Labels are identifiers followed by the @ symbol that mark specific points in your code. They give you three key benefits: control flow in nested loops, the ability to target specific loop levels, and they make your code intentions explicit and clear to other developers. The syntax for labels is straightforward. You write the label name followed by the @ symbol, then place it directly before the loop statement. For example, label name for item in collection. The label acts as a reference point that you can target later with break or continue statements. Let's see what happens when you use break without a label in nested loops. Here, we have two for loops. The outer loop iterates I from 1 to 3, and the inner loop iterates j from 1 to 3. When j equals 2, the break statement executes. However, this only exits the inner loop. The outer loop continues running, which may not be what you want. Now let's add a label to solve this problem. We place the label outer before the outer for loop. Inside the inner loop, when j equals 2, we use break outer instead of just break. This tells Kotlin to exit the outer loop completely, stopping all iterations immediately. This gives you much more precise control. The continue statement works similarly. Without labels, continue only affects the current loop. In this nested loop example, when j equals 2, continue skips the rest of the inner loop's current iteration and moves to the next value of j. The outer loop remains unaffected and continues its normal execution. With a labeled continue, you can skip to the next iteration of an outer loop. Here, we label the outer loop with outer @. When j equals 2, continue outer skips the rest of both the inner and outer loop's current iteration, jumping directly to the next value of I. This is incredibly useful for complex nested logic. Let's recap what you've learned. Labels provide precise control over nested loops, allowing you to target specific levels. Use break label to exit specific loop levels immediately. Use continue label to skip to the next iteration of a particular loop. Most importantly, labels make complex flow logic readable and maintainable for everyone on your team. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.